Bernard Kipkoech Ng'etich, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. 2022, I am running for the position of the President of the Law Society of Kenya. I intend to serve members of the Law Society of Kenya as a president after serving them for 5 years at the branch level as council member, vice chair, and chairperson of the branch, and serving them for 4 years as a council member of the Law Society upcountry category, and standing in the last 14 months when the society faced a lot of turbulence. I have been very I've been very much concerned about judicial calendar, and I've been pushing for judicial calendar on seminars, workshops, and trainings to be circulated in advance amongst judicial officers and other court users, so that cases that have been coast-listed, cases that have been diarized, do not collapse because judicial officers are attending seminars. I have also ensured that the practice environment for practitioners is serene, and we try as much as possible to minimize quacks. And I have been able to push for the arrest of a quack advocate. I've been able to push for the arrest of a quack magistrate whose case is pending to date. I've also been very keen to push for the welfare of advocates. I have represented an advocate from Narok, Charles Sena. I've been able to represent and push through the Law Society of Kenya for the whereabouts of Advocate Njau Kayai, Professor Nandwa, and several others. I'm very committed, if elected as the president, to ensure that the welfare of members, particularly as far as police-advocate relationship is concerned, is dealt with conclusively by developing police standing orders. We have several lawyers now as a country. We have several lawyers as the Law Society of Kenya. If elected, I would want to push the Council of the Law Society of Kenya through persuasion to reduce the CPD costs from the current 1,500 that they pay to about 1,000. Waive the clearance fee that advocates pay in this country for certificates of good standing, because once advocates have paid for their practicing certificates, they've paid for CPDs, they should also be given a relief of being given certificates of good standing for free because they belong to the Law Society of Kenya. Importantly, again, if elected as the president of the Law Society of Kenya, I want to empower the branches more. Take the message of devolution from the national office through the branches to chapters and centers, because as we talk today, we are very strong at the national level and at the branches, but we are not very strong at the chapter level, at the centers. I want to make the center of every part of this country in the Law Society of Kenya to be the fulcrum of devolution of the Law Society of Kenya. And of course, finally, if elected, I will manage council properly. I will manage general meetings properly. The fights that we've seen in the last 14 months shall be